Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select car icon on the Yandex Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I will going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen. Click to the three line at the upper left corner. Click to the settings and you tap to the second option, the navigation. And in the interface section, you can find the car icon. Click that and you can select different option, the white or the yellow. If you want to use the white, click that again and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.